Hey everybody, just wanted to say thank you for being a part of Blackie's Video Fans Group. Having a lot of fun making these and really hoping and praying that they're a blessing to you, to your friends and family. And I want to thank you for your prayers. I want you to know I'm praying for everybody. As I see your comments, your needs and concerns and that of your friends and family, lift that up before the Lord. Let's keep one another in prayer during the holidays here as every day. And I want to say Merry Christmas and thank you. So pass it along, make some new friends, and make some wonderful memories with your time as you celebrate the Lord's birth at Christmas. And have a safe and happy one. God bless you. Bye-bye.